Hi guys, we made it. What a year. Not only was this my first time taking on AP Physics 2, but our year got totally chopped short. And I don't know that a year has ever been so challenging, but I am glad that I got to have this year with you guys. There's so much that we got to do, and although there's so much we should have been able to do, it still was great. Thanks for sticking with me, for helping me when I need help, for asking questions. You guys have helped me learn a whole lot this year. For my seniors, good luck as you keep on trekking. You're going to do great. It's going to be awesome. You're going to have a incredible story to tell about your senior year that no one else will have. Sam, see you next year. But as you all move forward, I wish you nothing but the best, and I know that you will all do great things, and I can't wait to hear about your accomplishments. Say bye to Pretzel one last time. Have a great summer.